Good morning, lifers. Today we are in Houston visiting family, and we're here to have a good time as well. Take a look at our room. It's a fairly new hotel, and we're excited to show you. Here we go.
Good morning, guys. We're going to do a quick hotel tour. So not only are we going to show you our room, we're also going to show you the rest of the hotel so you can see what it's like and decide if you're in the Houston area, do you want to stay at this brand new Courtyard Marriott? So of course, our background is hotels. We love staying at new hotels and we love sharing our ideas. If you go to Google, I'm going to post a link to our my personal Google page and you can see all of my reviews. I've done hotels, restaurants all over the country, or most cities and states, and then you can see some of the reviews and decide if you want to stay at some of the places we visited as well. Let's go. So guys, this is the bathroom. Obviously it's been used. So already here's one of my complaints about this bathroom setup. If you notice, the shower head is over here. The shower knob is over here. What happens is water comes out of there, sprays all the way down, and it comes out onto the floor. So I do like this setup though, with the shampoo, conditioner, and soap, just in case you forget your own soap overall. And the other complaint is there aren't enough towel holders. So once you get out of the shower, there's only one place to store a towel, a wet towel. And normally there's a place you can throw towels over the top of the glass, but this one goes floor to ceiling. It's still a great setup minus where to hang the towels. Here's a little closet that we're not currently using. Very comfortable bed with the that wall. That's vinyl, I believe. Yeah. That's vinyl. This is vinyl, this pattern here. As you can see, it's ridged. Got a pretty cool feel to it. The bed, again, is very comfortable. Here's the cool part. So there's a nightstand on that side. There's a nightstand on this side. But there's power available on both sides for charging, just in case there are two people here, as you can see. And this sofa setup is also a small pull-out mattress. This right here, coffee setup right there. There's a refrigerator and microwave stored in there. And then a big TV. Nice desk set up with a couple dressers.
And they got everything modularly awesome.
What was that?
Modularly awesome.
Okay then.
See? We got this, and then notice that this right here is not exactly square.
Oh yeah.
See? And then over here, I'm sure you already noticed that you have a little slant right there, so it's pretty cool to fit in the corner, and you still have space for your fridge and your micro.
I think that looks pretty cool.
I like it. A
Yeah.
different type of furniture.
All right, we going. Okay, guys, so since we showed you the room, it's time to take you downstairs show you the lobby, pool, fitness center, and some of the other amenities that this hotel has. So this is one of the things that I love about hotels. Look at this wall back here, how cool it is. The entire wall is wood.
Right here, we have the fitness center and guest laundry. Come on in.
So guys, I have to say, when I was managing hotels, my very first chief engineer position or facilities director was at a Courtyard Marriott, brand spanking new, downtown Oklahoma City. And I have to say that this direction that they've gone with the fitness center is amazing. This is the biggest, this right now is the biggest fitness center I've ever seen in any Courtyard Marriott, and I've been to a lot of them, and this is by far the biggest that I've ever seen. This is a lot of space.
There's lots of room. You have lots of room in here to do your laundry. Looks like 2 of each washer and dryers. And then you got a sitting area, folding area. Very nice. All right.
So here's a great patio with a fire pit, lots of seating for those cool Texas nights. So I guess the camera was cold. There was just a little bit ago, I was trying to adjust my camera and it kept blurring out when I was over there at the pool area. But now it seems like it's operating correctly again. I think it was just too cold. The lens hadn't transitioned yet or warmed up. But check this out. Outside the hotel, certain rooms have patios, I guess to match what's going on the other side. So guys, we're outside of our hotel. Our hotel is right over there behind us, but you can tell it's blended in to this entire scenery and part of what's going on in this area. So behind us is some living, some apartments matching the hotel. This looks like a business office, but outdoor seating, outdoor games. So this whole area is designed for people to get outside, have fun, but also have a safe, clean living environment. So there are outdoor games, like right over here, there's a game. It looks like, what is that called? Connect Four, and then bean bags out here, plus there are restaurants. So this is an up and coming area. I can tell they're getting ready to do some more construction over on that side. There's a walking trail, a bridge over the creek, and then stores nearby. So if you want, you would actually walk to the stores. So anyway, Now, we're gonna stop this portion of the video and probably head to go see family, which will be some of our private time hanging out with family. We don't typically record my mother-in-law and my brother too often, so it'll be some private time, and then we'll pick back up with you guys later on this evening. Peace.